Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Ras El Hanout. Cue the music. Alright, welcome back. Thanks a lot for being here. I appreciate you watching from whatever platform you are joining us from. Like I said, we're going to be making Ras El Hanout, so I'm going to drop down and show you what the ingredients are for this. We have got 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, 2.5 teaspoons of ground black pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1.5 teaspoons of ground coriander, 1.5 teaspoons of cayenne, 1.5 teaspoons of allspice, and we got about 3/4 of a teaspoon of cloves. So let's start mixing this up. One more thing here, I got some chicken wings here. I'm going to season these up with this Ras El Hanout, and then we're going to bake these off for about 20 minutes on about 425 degrees. I would do it outside on the grill, but we have torrential rain going on right now. So I'm just seasoning these up really well. Oh wow, what a blend of flavor in there. You can just smell that cinnamon and the allspice. Alright, get my sheet pan with my aluminum foil on it. Just lay these on here. Alright, we'll be back when these are done. Alright, there they are, out of the oven, 425 for 15 minutes. I'm going to plate these up. Got some other goodies there too. We're going to take some pictures of it with some music and come back and taste it. So don't go away. These look really good, beautiful pictures. I threw some red peppers and some yogurt and Moroccan sauce down there just to dip in, but the yogurt helps cut some of the heat, but we don't know how hot these are yet. I have smelled them, they smell fantastic. The cinnamon that's in there, the cumin, the cloves, all that coriander. I think that coriander looks really nice on there. It smells fantastic, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a taste. Got some heat in there. Definitely got a lot of heat, but it's a smooth heat. Very salty. Oh, that flavor is just, oh, that's really good. The ginger, the coriander, the cloves, the cinnamon. That is a very exotic and unique flavor. Yeah, this is good. Very, very good. Ras El Hanout. It literally translates out to top of the shelf. Now I can see why. But we did some wings. Give it a try. You won't regret it. These are really good. Very good. Remember that the recipe is down in the description box and in the first pinned comment. Don't forget to head to my seasoning store over on itsonlyfood.biz. It's onlyfood.biz. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Make this is fantastic. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.